Hey Emily, what are you up to?
I just had some prints made.
Wow, these look great. What kind of expensive professional camera did you use for these?
Actually, I used this little bad boy, the Olympus E-M10.
An Olympus camera?
And the whole kit is under $600.
That's amazing. I could have sworn it was some big fancy camera.
Nope. It's really easy to take awesome photos with this Olympus.
Why is that?
It's a super sharp camera with plenty of lens options and built-in artistic filters, making it so easy for anyone to take amazing photos.
So you're telling me this camera can do all of this for under $600?
That's right. And for a limited time only, Horn Photo is throwing in a $50 gift card for every E-M10 purchase.
That's awesome!
Come into Horn Photo today and see this amazing camera for yourself. Got the picture?